Imagine a giant room, buzzing with energy. People shout, numbers flash on screens, fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye. This is the stock market, a central nervous system for the global economy. It's where companies go to raise capital and investors try to grow their wealth. But have you ever wondered where it all began? The history of stock markets is a journey through the evolution of finance, from ancient trading practices to today's complex digital exchanges. Understanding this history is not just about looking back, it's about understanding the DNA of our financial system. Knowing how markets evolved gives us valuable context for navigating the present and future of investing. So, let's embark on a journey back in time to uncover the roots of this financial powerhouse. Our journey begins in the bustling city of Amsterdam in the 17th century. While rudimentary forms of stock trading existed before, Amsterdam is where the modern stock market as we know it was born. This was the age of exploration, and the Dutch East India Company, a global trading behemoth, was at its peak. To finance its ambitious voyages to the East Indies, the company issued shares of its stock to the public. This marked a revolutionary moment in financial history. For the first time, ordinary people could buy a piece of a company and share in its profits or losses. This innovation sparked immense interest, and soon a dedicated marketplace emerged for buying and selling these shares. The Amsterdam Stock Exchange, established in 1602. The early Amsterdam Stock Exchange was a far cry from the electronic platforms we know today. Trading took place in a frenzy of face-to-face transactions, with brokers shouting orders and negotiating prices amidst the throngs of investors. Interestingly, the first asset to be traded on the Amsterdam Exchange wasn't actually a stock, but rather tulip bulbs. Tulip mania, as it became known, was an early example of speculative trading, with bulb prices soaring to astronomical levels before crashing down. This episode, though fueled by speculation, highlighted the power and potential volatility of this new marketplace. The Amsterdam Stock Exchange quickly expanded beyond tulips to include stocks of other companies, setting the stage for the global financial system we know today. Section 4, Across the Pond and Beyond, the rise of new exchanges. The success of the Amsterdam Stock Exchange didn't go unnoticed. Inspired by its innovative model, other nations began to establish their own stock exchanges. London, a burgeoning centre of commerce, saw the establishment of the London Stock Exchange in the late 17th century. Across the Atlantic, the New York Stock Exchange, or NYSE, emerged in the late 18th century, initially operating under a buttonwood tree on Wall Street. These new exchanges, while geographically distant, were all built upon the foundation laid in Amsterdam. Embraced the concept of publicly traded companies, standardized share ownership, and facilitated the flow of capital that would fuel industrial revolutions and global trade. Section 5, New York, London, Tokyo, titans of the modern market. Fast forward to the 21st century, and the stock market landscape has transformed dramatically. Gone are the days of shouting traders in physical pits. Today, trillions of dollars change hands every day at lightning speed through sophisticated electronic networks. The NYSE, now housed in an iconic building on Wall Street, remains a global powerhouse. These exchanges list thousands of companies from around the world, reflecting the interconnected nature of the modern global economy. Section 6. Lessons from the past, investing in the future. Understanding the history of stock markets isn't just an academic exercise. It's about recognizing the enduring power of innovation, the importance of regulation in ensuring market integrity, and the cyclical nature of booms and busts. From the tulip mania of the 17th century to the dot-com bubble of the late 20th century, history reminds us that markets are not immune to irrational exuberance, and that periods of rapid growth are often followed by corrections. Yet through it all, the stock market has proven to be a resilient engine for wealth creation and economic growth, connecting investors with companies building the future. Section 7. Take control of your financial destiny. Learning about the history of financial markets is one thing, but taking control of your financial future is where it truly counts. If you're ready to start investing and growing your wealth, there's no better place to begin your journey than with Exodus Capital. Exodus Capital is a leading financial platform that provides the tools and resources you need to make informed investment decisions. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Exodus Capital offers a range of services, including personalized investment advice, educational resources, and access to a wide array of investment opportunities. Don't wait to start building your financial future. Visit Exodus Capital today and see how we can help you achieve your financial goals.